Hello dear students, today I am going to discuss the last part of the chapter number 6, the triangle and its properties. First I am going to discuss triangle inequality. What is triangle inequality? What is the difference between equality and inequality? Equality means two terms connected by the simple equalizer. For example, we can say x plus 3 is equal to 10. This is the equation. Alright, while in case of inequality means that is not connected by equalizer, instead of that less than or greater than. For example, we can say that 2 less than 3. 2 less than 3, this is an inequality. Similarly, we can write 5 greater than 4. This is also an inequality. That means the both side of the expression is not equal. So such types of expressions are called inequalities. So here we are going to discuss a property of triangle which is an inequality. Let's see what it says, that sum of the length of any two sides of the triangle, is greater than the length of the third side. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. For example, let's take a triangle ABC, and according to this triangle inequality we can say that sum of AC plus AB is greater than, sum of these two sides is greater than the third side is BC. Now we can take the sum of these two sides, AB and BC. AB plus BC is greater than the third side, come here, it is AC. Now we can take sum of these two sides, BC plus AC greater than the third side is AB. So if three sides are given, then if these three sides to be the sides of a triangle, then the sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side. That is what the inequality says. Let's take some question from exercise 6.4 to apply this inequality. First question is that, is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? Three sides are given, 2 cm, 3 cm, 5 cm. Let's apply this inequality. First find sum of any two sides. I am going to find the sum of these two sides. 2 plus 3, 2 cm plus 3 cm, which is equal to 5 cm. So here sum of these two is equal to the third one, So these sides not possible for to be the sides of a triangle, because sum of these two should be greater than the third side. Here it is equal to the third side. Therefore, it is not possible to have these sides with the sides of a triangle. You can check the other options by yourself. Now let's take the next question. Here it is given, take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR. It is already given the figure in your textbook. O is the point in the interior of triangle PQR. Question number 1 is that, is OP plus OQ greater than PQ? OP plus OQ. That means this point should be joined. Let's join that one first. Okay, now it is joined. Now see here, question is OP plus OQ greater than PQ. OP plus OQ greater than PQ. Yes or no? Yes. Because OP, OQ and PQ are the sides of the triangle POQ. This triangle POQ. Clear? So we can say that yes. Because OP, OQ and PQ are sides of triangle POQ. These are the sides of the triangle POQ. So it follows this inequality. Sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Similarly, you can check this option number 2 and option number 3 for this other triangles. Okay, you will get the answer. That try to yourself. Now we are moving to the next question. Question is, AM is a median of triangle ABC. AM is a median of triangle ABC. Question is AB plus BC plus CA. Is AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM? That is a question. Let's check it whether it is true or not. So for that, we are considering triangle AMB as well as triangle AMC separately. First triangle AMB we can consider. Okay. So in triangle AMB, in triangle AMB we can write AB plus BM. AB plus BM. These two sides. Okay. AB plus BM. AB plus BM is greater than AM, third side AM. Inequality number 1, keep it. Now I am going to apply triangle inequality in the triangle AMC, in this triangle, second triangle AMC. So in triangle AMC, we can say that AC plus MC. AC plus MC. Sum of these two sides, AC and MC, sum of these two sides is greater than the third side of the triangle. We are considering it as AM, greater than AM. Inequality number 2. Now we are going to add inequality 1 and 2. Adding inequalities 1 and 2 to get what will we get here? When we adding the inequalities, we need to add the corresponding left hand side of the inequalities first. So AB plus BM plus AC plus MC, am I right, is greater than, now add corresponding right hand sides, AM plus AM. Now AB plus, these two I have taken, AB and AC, I am writing here AC, plus what is BM plus MC? BM plus MC become BM plus MC become BC, am I right? BM plus MC is equal to BC. So BM plus MC I am writing it as BC, greater than, now is all the terms we have written here, AM plus AM is equal to 2 times AM, 2 AM. We have to write the substitution what we given here, since BM plus MC is equal to BC. That is we have to. What is this? AB plus AC plus BC is greater than 2M, which is given in the question. AB plus BC plus AC. Am I right? AC we can also write as CA, no problem. Here it is given as CA, here it is given as AC, no problem. You can, side is same. Okay, so it is yes. That is the answer. Okay, now let's move to the next question. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD? That is we have to check it. So here I am going to take first triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Listen carefully because here it figure is consist of many triangles. So first I am writing from triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, what will we get? AB plus BC. Sum of these two sides. AB plus. Then you may think that why can't we take AB plus AC is greater than BC? Because we have to check whether this is valid or not. This given statement is valid or not. Because of that we are writing it as AB plus BC. BC is also given here, right? Which is greater than AC. That is we have to check it. Those are the terms given in the question. So because of that I am taking this pair AB plus BC greater than, what is the third side in this triangle? Triangle ABC, look at the figure carefully. Triangle ABC. So AB plus BC is greater than the third side AC. Inequality 1. Keep it. Now I am going to take the triangle BCD. BCD. Okay. In triangle BCD, what will we get? BC plus DC or CD. BC plus CD is greater than third side is BD. This is the third side. Keep it inequality number 2. Now I am going to take the triangle ADC. Am I right? So in triangle ADC, you can see this is triangle ADC. So we will get in triangle ADC, we can write CD plus DA. CD plus DA is greater than third side is AC. Inequality number 3. Now the last triangle, which one is? Triangle DAB. This triangle we have not taken. Okay, triangle DAB. In triangle DAB, we can write DA plus AB is greater than BD. We can write DA plus AB is greater than BD, third side. Inequality number 4. Now we have got 4 inequalities from these 4 triangles. Now just add these inequalities because we have to get AC plus BD. So I am going to add these inequalities. So adding inequalities. 1, 2, 3 and 4. What will we get here? First, corresponding LHS we have to add. First one is here AB plus BC. AB plus BC plus next BC plus CD. BC plus CD plus CD plus DA plus CD plus DA plus DA plus AB. DA plus AB is greater than AC plus BD plus AC plus BD. See here, AB is 2 times. Alright, so 2AB plus BC also 2 times plus 2BC plus CD is 2 times, so CD 2CD plus DA also 2 times plus 2DA is greater than AC is 2 times, 2AC plus BD is twice, 2BD. Here 2 is common in all the terms of the left hand side. So take that 2 outside by using distributive property. So 2 is common, remaining AB plus left BC plus CD plus DA is greater than, give it this here, okay, implies. In each, this is to identify different steps. Here also 2 is common. So take that 2 outside. 2 into AC plus BD. Now what is you need to do here? It is 2 is the common in both LHS and RHS. So cancel that. Now we will get therefore AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. We got this relation. Therefore, it is true. It is true to say this one. Okay? So just understand clearly and try to do yourself. Similarly, question number 5 also you can try yourself. But the thing is that in question number 5, you are not supposed to take the whole triangle ABC. You have to take the individual small triangle. 4 triangles you have to take. This is the first triangle. You can mark this point as O or something like take this small triangle, then take this small triangle, and take this small and this small. So there are 4 triangles you have to take. Unlike the 4 triangles we have taken ABC and BCD. Okay, so small difference is there in question number 5. So try it yourself. Now we are moving to the next topic and very important one from this chapter, that is Pythagoras property for right angled triangle. This property is valid only in case of right angled triangle. It says that in right angled triangle, the square on hypotenuse. Which one is hypotenuse? This is hypotenuse. The side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse, which is equal to sum of the squares on the legs. That means the other 2 sides are called legs. That means AC is the hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse. And AB comma BC. AB and BC. These 2 are legs. Okay. To identify hypotenuse, very simple one, which is the side opposite to the right angle. Clear? That is, will be hypotenuse. Now let's apply Pythagoras property in this right angle triangle ABC to get in the form of equation. Square on the hypotenuse, that is AC square. AC square, which is equal to sum of the squares on legs. That means AB square plus BC square. Sum of the squares of other 2 sides or legs. So this is the mathematical expression we can give for Pythagoras property. It is discovered by Pythagoras. Because of that, this property is known as Pythagoras property, and the most important topic from this chapter, that is Pythagoras property. For example, I will tell you, if you have a right angled triangle, okay, right angled triangle ABC, the same triangle I am taking here, with the sides 3 and 4 centimeter. 3 and 4 centimeter we have. Now we want to find the hypotenuse. So we can directly apply the Pythagoras theorem here. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is, AC square is equal to, what is AB? AB is equal to 3. So AB square will be 3 square. Plus BC, BC is 4 square. What is the meaning of this square? Which is equal to 3 into 3. If anybody doesn't have any confusion with the square, 3 square means 3 multiplied by itself. 3 into 3. Plus 4 square means 4 multiplied with 4 itself. So AC square we have got. That is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 3 square is 9 plus 4 into 4 is 60. That is AC square is equal to 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. Am I right? So AC square is equal to 25. We got. But we need AC. To find AC, that is very simple. What is the number you got here? Just prime factorize it. So 25, when you prime factorize, you will get a 5. This is only divisible by 5. 5 to 5, that is 25. So AC square is actually, AC square we can write AC into AC, am I right? What is the meaning of square? When a number is multiplied with itself, then we will call that is a square. Okay, that is equal to 25 if prime factorize it into 5 into 5. Then can you guess what is the value of AC? Of course, that is AC is equal to 5 centimeter. Because one AC is 5, another AC is 5. So when AC into AC become 5 into 5. So this is the way we can find the unknown side of the rectangular triangle if any 2 sides is given by using Pythagoras property. And we have one terms which we can find the value from the directly from the square, that you will be learning in the later classes. Now you need to understand only this much, a basic idea of the Pythagoras property. Let's take some questions from exercise 6.5, which is the last exercise given in this chapter. Here see that PQR is a triangle, right angled at B, very important. PQ is equal to 10 centimeter, PR is equal to 24 centimeter, find QR. So first you have to draw a right angled triangle with the given measurements. So here, first draw a right angled triangle, okay? You already know how to draw a right angled triangle, so I am not going to explain that one. Now first step is that mark the right angled vertex. Here right angled at P, so mark P is here at a right angled vertex. That is the right angled vertex. Now you can mark Q and R in other parts. That is Q can be here and R can be here. Okay? If you are not marking right angled vertex properly, then the sides may get changed. These two sides can be changed, no problem, but you will not get the clear hypotenuse if you are not marking properly the right angled vertex. Now we can mark the sides. PQ is equal to 10 centimeter, right? 10 centimeter. And PR is equal to 24 centimeter. What is we have to find? QR we have to find. That is hypotenuse we have to find. So by Pythagoras property, we can say square of hypotenuse, that is QR square. QR square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, that is PQ square plus PR square. QR square is equal to, what is PQ? PQ is 10. 10 square plus PR is 24. So 24 square. That is equal to 10 square is 10 into 10 plus 24 square is 24 into 24. Am I right? That is equal to, therefore QR square is equal to 10 into 10, that is equal to 100. Am I right? Plus 24 into 24. Let's multiply here. 24. Multiplied 4 into 4 16. 1 is carries. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 6. 9 plus 8 is equal to 7 and 1. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So 576. Therefore, so QR square is equal to 100 plus 576 is equal to 676. Got. But we have got only QR square. That means what exactly we have got here? QR into QR is equal to 676. But we need to get the value of the QR. For that we need to go for factorization of 676. Let's factorize this one. What will we get? 676. Factorize it. So last digit is even, so it can be divisible by 2. So 3, 1 is 8. Am I right? Again last digit is even, so it is divisible by 2. Divide it. 3, 1. 1 is carrying 6. What will we get? 13. 6. 1 is again carrying 9. Now it is not able to divide by 2 because it is a odd number, okay? And check for the divisibility of the next number 3, 4, 5. It's like that. I'm not going to do it like that. I know that this is only divisible by 13. Okay, you have to check for each number. So 13 divided by 13. So QR into QR is we got 2 into 2 into 13 into 30. Okay. So that is equal to, we can write as a form of pair because here it is pair is the QR into QR, right? QR into QR. So 2 into 13 is here. Similarly 2 into 13, one more 13 is here. So we can write 2 into 113 into, this is just to give it, into 2 into, one more 2 is there into another 13. So QR into QR is equal to 2 into 13 into 2 into 13. So therefore QR is equal to 2 into 13, which is equal to 26. Because one QR is 1 2 into 13, another QR second one is the second pair 2 into 13. Okay, so this is the way we can find the third side or hypotenuse of any side. Okay, next let's go to the second question. Here see, ABC is a triangle right angle at C. So let's draw a triangle which is right angle at C. I have drawn a right angle triangle and mark the right angle the vertex as C. Now we can mark other two sides like A and B. Now what is the question here? AB is equal to 25 centimeter. That is hypotenuse is given. And AC equal to 7 centimeter. AC equal to 7 centimeter which is given. Find BC. BC we have to find. First apply the Pythagoras property that by Pythagoras property hypotenuse square, here hypotenuse is AB. So AB square is equal to, what will be having? AC square plus BC square, sum of the other two, square of sum of the other two sides. Now AB is given, BC we have to find out, right? So just I am going to interchange the RHS and LHS so that equation will not change. We already have learned simple equation. That is I am writing. That implies AC square plus BC square which is equal to AB square. I have just interchanged the RHS and LHS. We have to find BC square, so we need to separate AC square from the LHS by transposing into RHS. Same as solving the simple equation. Very simple. So therefore we can say that BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square will become minus AC square. That is a simple thing you have to remember. If you want to find any side other than hypotenuse, then square of hypotenuse minus the given leg. Now we can apply the values here. So that implies BC square is equal to, what is AB? AB is equal to 25 which is given. 25 square minus what is AC? AC equal to 7. So 7 square, AC square is there. That implies BC square is equal to 25 square means 25 into 25 minus 7 square is 7 into 7. So therefore BC square is equal to 25 into 25, just multiply 25, 25 you will get a 5 to 5, 25, again 2 carries 10, 12, 2 into 5, 10, 0. Is carrying 2 into 4, 5. So 5 to 6. 625. 625 minus 7 into 7, you already know a simple number, that is 49. Now BC square is equal to 625 minus 49. Subtract it. 625 minus 49. 5 might not possible, so take borrow it 1 from, so 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. It is become 1, again 11 is 7. Here it will be 5. So 576. 576. What is BC square actually? BC square is actually BC into BC. So we need to factorize it 1. So how to factorize 576? You already know factorization for finding the HCF and LCM. Same method we are following here. So last digit is even, so divisible by 2. So 2, 17, 8. Again 1 is the 8. Now 2 divided by 1, 4, 4. Okay. Divided by 2 again 7. Again divided by 2, we will get a 3, 6. Again 2, 1, 16, 8, 18, then 2, 9. Now it is not possible to divide by 2 because it is odd number, so but it is divisible. Now write these factors here. BC is equal to, BC into BC is actually 2 is 2 times. Right here, one pair is there. Okay. So from one pair, that is right, 2 into one pair, am I right? Another number, one more pair is given here, 2 into 2. 2 into 2. And one more pair is the another 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. See here, from 1 to I have written 1 2. Okay. Then from the second pair 1 2. And from third pair another 2. And one pair of 3 is the this. Into. I'm just making into pair. Okay. Then one more 2 is here 2. Into from the second pair second 2. From the third pair second 2. And from the pair of 3 the second 3. So now I paired these numbers. That means here BC into BC is equal to this 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then one BC will be equal to this one. The second BC will be this one. So therefore we can write. Therefore we can write BC is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 8, 8 into 3, 24. So 24 centimeter. So BC we got it as 24 centimeter. Okay. So just apply the Pythagoras property, find the square, subtract or add it according to the question, then make in terms of pair. From that take one pair. This is the way how we can find the third side, which is unknown. Let's move to the next solution. Here, which of the following can be the sides of the right angle? That means sum of the squares of any two sides should be equal to the third of that is hypotenuse. Let's check it. First to find the square of 25. Sorry, it is 2.5, not 25. 2.5 square, which is equal to multiply it. 2.5 is 2.5 into 2.5. You already know how to find the decimals. Just to multiply the mass of whole numbers, then place the decimal point according to the number of decimals given in the number. So 2 into 5, 25, 2 is carries, 2 into 5, 12, 1, 2 into 5, 10, 0, again 1 is carry, then 2 into 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So we get a 5, 2, 6. In first number, one digit is after decimal point. In the second number also, one digit is after decimal point. So there are total of 2 digits after decimal point. So keep the decimal point according to the 1, 2. Keep the decimal point here. We already learned in previous chapter that is how to add or subtract decimals. So I'm not going to discuss in detail. That is answer is 6.25. Now let's take 6.5 centimeter. That is 6.5 square is equal to, again multiply it 6.5 into 6.5. 5 to 5, 25, 2, and 2 is carries, 5 into 6, 30, 30 plus 2, 32. Okay. Next one, 6 into 5, 30, 3 is carries, 6 into 6, 36, 36 plus 3 is equal to 39. 5, 2, and plus 3 is 12, 1, 4. How many decimals, how many digits are there after decimal point? Here 1, here also 1, in 6.5. Okay. So there are total of 2 digits after decimal point. So bring the decimal point towards 2 digits, 2 decimal place towards left. So 1, 2. So decimal point should be here. So 42.25. Keep it. Now let's take the 6. 6 square is equal to, very simple one, 6 into 6, which is equal to 36. Very simple. Now we can see that just add this 2.5 square and 6 square. Just add it because this is the greatest side, am I right? 6.5. So this could be the hypotenuse if these are sides of the triangle, right angle triangle. So let's take the sum of other two sides. This is not possible to be like because this is the greatest one. So just to keep as it is and just add the other two sides. That means 2.5 square plus 6 square, which is equal to 2.5 square is 6.25. Am I right? Plus 6 square is 36. Just add it. 36 plus 6.25. Here there is no digits after decimal point, so keep 0 for the first numbers. 5 plus 0, 5, 0 plus 2, 2. 6 plus 2, 6 plus 6, 12, 1. 1 plus 1 is carries. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, which is equal to 42.25. So we have got, so 2.5 square plus 6 square, which is equal to 42.25 is 6.5 whole square. That means it is follows the Pythagoras property. Sum of the squares of these two sides is equal to the third one, that is hypotenuse. Therefore, 2.5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 6.5 centimeter are sides of right triangle. Right triangle. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Here, the diagonals of a rhombus measure 16 centimeter, 30 centimeter. Find the perimeter. Very important question. So let's draw a diagonal. Rhombus means it's a quadrilateral with all its sides are equal. We have already learned different kinds of quadrilateral in class 6. So recall that one. Let's draw the diagonals. So first diagonal is represented by violet line. Second one is almost yellow. Okay, there are two diagonals I have written. Now just mark the vertices like A, B, C, and D, and this intersecting point, that is O. Okay, this point is where the two diagonals intersect. Now in class 6 we have learned that the diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. That means this AC is dividing into two equal parts, as well as DB is dividing into two equal parts, as well as bisect each other at a right angle. That is also we have learned. This all will be right angles. So here, what can you say about CO? I'm considering only the triangle DOCO, right? Or otherwise we can consider AOB. So in triangle AOB, we don't know this side, okay? We have to find this side, then only we will get the perimeter. But here AO we can easily find. AO is equal to half of AC. Why it is half of AC? Because the point O bisects AC into two equal half. Therefore, AO is equal to OC. AO is equal to OC. That means AO will be half of the total length AC. Clear? So, because of that we are writing. AC I am taking it as 16 centimeter, and DB, the second diagonal DB I am taking it as 30 centimeter. Okay, you can also take in reverse way, no problem. It's up to you. Because in the question it is not mentioned the name of the rhombus. Now half of AC, which is equal to 1 by 2 into what is the AC value? 16, which is equal to 8 centimeter. Alright. So it is clear that AO is equal to 8 centimeter. This is right angle, okay, according to the properties of diagonals of rhombus. The diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at a right angle. Now let's take BO. What can you say about BO? BO is equal to half of DB. Same as it. Half of DB. Which is equal to 1 by 2 into, what is DB here? 30 centimeter. Which is equal to 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. In triangle AOB, I am taking this triangle AOB. Okay, only this triangle AOB I am taking. AOB. This is a right angle triangle because at vertex O, that is right angle. We can say OAB is the hypotenuse because that is the side opposite to right angle. By Pythagoras property, that is square of hypotenuse, that is AB square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, that is AO square. AO square plus BO square. BO square. Therefore, AB square is equal to, what is AO? AO is 8. So, AO square is 8 square plus BO square, that is BO is 15. So, BO square will be 15 square. That implies AB square is equal to 8 square is 8 into 8, that is 64. I am directly writing, I am not going to write again. I already discussed how to find this one in the previous questions. 15 square means 15 into 15, that is, you can try yourself, that is 15 into 15 is equal to 5 into 5, 25, 2 into 5, 5, 7, 1 into 5, 5, and 5. That is 5, 7 plus 5 is equal to 2, 1 is carried, 225. That implies AB square is equal to 64 plus 225. 64 plus 225, which will be for 9, 8, 2. 289. That implies AB into AB square is AB into AB. AB we have to find. Therefore, factorize this one 289. Just to go for the divisibility of the numbers, you can see that this is only divisible by 70. So 289 we can already divide it as 17 into 70. That implies AB will be 170. Therefore, AB is equal to 70. So AB we got it as 17 centimeter. Obviously, as all the sides are equal, all the sides of the rhombus is equal according to the property of rhombus. Therefore, this is also will be 17 centimeter, and this is also will be 17 centimeter. This is also will be 17 centimeter. So perimeter is equal to 4 into length of one side, that is AB, which is equal to 4 into AB is 17. 4 into 17 is equal to, what is 4 into 17 multiplied? 17 into 4. 4 into 7 is 28, 2 is carries. 4 into 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 68 centimeter. Now we have solved some questions by applying Pythagoras property. So we have completed the chapter number 6. In the next video, I will come with another chapter. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.